Hakotorni Mantri Bokhorok North East ni kaichar Hasten Mung Rwkha Ashtalakshmi ni Mugwi National Seminar on Infrastructure Development in North Region of India Pandao kok sarani thangai okong nu shaka Hasten ni Mantri okra Professor Dr. Manik Shaha Rwkha ni program bhabono chengjangmani salthamni bagai North East ni Infrastructure Seminar 20 July salmariwo angnai Indian Building Congress ni 109 Governing Council meeting Fasala chengjangmani pandao manjaka Hasten ni Mantri okra Professor Dr. Manik Shaha Indian Building Congress ni Asok Phang Sinmai Debnat Asok Phang no khobai te kubna dong rok abani aglo pandao kok sanani thangai Hasten ni Mantri okra Professor Dr. Manik Shaha shaka North East ni kaichar Hasten ni Mung Rwkha Hakotorni Mantri Bokhorok Ashtalakshmi ni Mugwi Aro joto thani development no shakangai tlangnani bagai Rwkha naikol Mung abaikino Tripura ni infrastructure no ruge allocate khlaijaka 7,000 crore rang abaikino shajaka haste watabok 923 km national highway tongo aboni bisingo 509 km double lane tongo Agortala 449 km korok kasha ring road snamnani bagai shajaka bharatmala project ni bisingte aboni logyono shajaka earthquake resistant technology no samungo phanangai raja khoraguliwa kasha katal multi storage government office
airports then highways power projects water supply urban infrastructure etc so primarily all together hold the key to the growth of this northeastern region in the northeast rising summit 2025 at New Delhi on 23rd May our honorable prime minister Sri Narendra Modi ji in his speech already have mentioned that northeast means Ashtalakshmi because we have 8 states and earlier also he mentioned that these 8 states are very near to his heart and he has named Ashtalakshmi because of the 8 states. Under his leadership and activist policy to make the Northeast at par with other parts or mainlands of the country, maximum attention has been given on infrastructure, road construction and connectivity. Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, who is relentlessly working towards the overall development of this region. A very important step has been taken up by the Government of India by creating or setting up a donor ministry, as we know, for overall development of this northeastern region. If we talk about connectivity, Northeast Railway Connectivity Project is a multi-phase railway project in northeastern region. We never have thought of before. If we leave Assam, the other states, we never have thought that they should or we should have this railway connectivity. Now the dream has come into reality. The railway project is considered as strategically important for India by connecting all border states. Very important because our states are very bordering state and in this region and also it is close to the Asian countries. So connectivity is very important. So strategically this railway connectivity as our Honorable Prime Minister has thought of and he did it. Northeastern region is often referred to India as powerhouse due to its massive hydropower and petro and gas potential. The region can play a pivotal role in meeting India's clean energy targets. Tripura and northeastern region mostly.
Ashtalakshmi seminar of Faiman Jagnai Dalbidal Tiny Engineer Researchers Professors. Abno Karibu Tripura ni Dalbidal Department ni Lukorabo Faiman Jakha. Abahikino North Eastern Region Chief Engineers Faiman Jagnai Henei. Raja Khorang ni Shimi pronom ni Chini Khorang.